All right, what we're going to do is we're going to graph these two things. And then the area that's in between them, we're going to revolve around the x-axis. So if I graph this one right here, we end up getting 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's a parabola going down. So it's going to look something like this. And then we get this one right here, which is going to be up 2. And then it's going to go over 1, down 1. And so this one's going to look something like this. And so what we're doing is we're going to take this area right here that's bounded between these two curves and revolve it around this. So it's going to look something like a weird looking cone thing. Anyway, so we need to know where these are going to intersect. Now on this graph it's really easy to see. It goes from -1 to 2. But if we didn't graph this, well, how would you do that? Well, these are both equal to y, so I can equal them to each other. So 4 minus x squared equals 2 minus x. Add x squared to both sides, subtract 4, so you get 0 equals x squared minus x minus 2. Factor it, you end up getting x, and you get minus 2 plus 1, which gives you x equals 2 and -1. So it's going to go from -1 to 2. So if I want to revolve this, I'm going to get this, well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to draw this, but you're going to get, if I take this piece right here and I revolve it, it's going to give me this like disc looking thing. But it's going to have a hole in the middle of it. And if you can actually redraw it, I'm going to redraw it, it's going to look something like this. And the area that we're trying to find is this, is the stuff that's actually going to be the area. So I need to take the whole of this disk. So this whole thing, this radius right here, is going to be my top function. And my top function in this case is going to be 4 minus x squared. And the radius of the inside is going to be my bottom function. It's going to be right here, which is going to be 2 minus x. That's going to be that right there. So if I find the area of this right here, it will be pi r squared, so 4 minus x squared squared, and then minus the whole right here, so it's going to be pi r squared here. And then this has a thickness to it, really. So the thickness is actually going to be dx. And this is all going to be multiplied by dx. So hopefully that makes sense. So my integral, if I actually add all these like kind of washer looking things, you're going to end up getting, well, both of these have pi, so I can actually factor out a pi. Integral from -1 to 2 of 4 minus x squared squared minus 2 minus x squared, and then delta x becomes dx. And then I'm going to let you integrate that. Just make sure that you don't distribute this squared into addition. It's not going to work. So you got to actually separate this out and multi-distribute this out, multiply-distribute that out, and then you can get something that's a polynomial that'll be easy to integrate. Good luck.